Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to the Yarra Valley Tourist Railway in Healesville. We are riding the Walker Railmotor that's doing shuttles all weekend long for the Easter long weekend. Have a look at all the rolling stock that they have there, get some photos, enjoy the day. Bit of a rainy one and a cold one, but I think that'll stop a good heritage train ride. So let's get on down there, roll the intro. Okay, so just having a look at the rolling stock that they have here at the Healesville Tourist Railway. We've got a rail tractor from what it looks like, we've got an oil tanker, and here are some what I think are GY wagons from what I believe. Quite a few of them here actually. And just a close-up of the VR logo on the bottom of the bogies. Here we have a V-Line Louvre van, and there's two of them here in front of the goods shed that's now been turned into a venue facility that you can rent or hire out here at the railway. And just bear in mind, I still don't know all the terms and all the names for a lot of these types of cars and freight wagons, but I'm still learning. So let's keep on looking. And as we keep making our way down, we have more freight wagons, could be looking a bit better. And here we also have a Z-type guards van. This definitely needs a bit of love, bit of TLC. Here we have a blue carriage underneath the tarp, could be a blue E-type carriage. And just there's a couple other wagons held down the line. This is the ballast hopper, I believe, used to drop the ballast on the tracks. A long loader, what looks like another GY, and a carriage under the tarp. And this is the cab of J541. This locomotive is here awaiting a restoration. The cab just sitting off to the side. Please donate if you can. Let's get this locomotive back up and running. Here is another type of Walker Railmotor, and here is the actual locomotive of J541. The tender is exposed, but the locomotive's under a tarp. And just some more rolling stock behind a T-class, a flat top T-class. Down the other end of the platform, we have a rail tractor and plenty more rolling stock, including more ballast hoppers. It might be a bit too hard to see, but in this warehouse are two Y classes, and one of them is Y135 from the South Gippsland Railway. These are the stations and stops on the line. Now let's take a look at some of the history about this railway. The Healesville Line was the extension from Lilydale, which ran trains on a non-electrified suburban part of the line. The line originally opened in the 1880s and closed 100 years later in the 1980s. Traffic on the line included timber, milk, livestock, and mainly dairy products. This line has 3 kilometers of trestle bridges because of the floods and the high water levels. Sadly, in 2009, the Black Saturday bushfires have destroyed a few of them. The J, K, and D3 class locomotives used to run services on the line until 1964. These ran until they were replaced by the Walker Railmotors, which we will be riding on today. Let's get on the train.
wonderful. Hey, hey. Isn't it? How wonderful. Hey, hey. Would it be? How wonderful. Hey, hey. Would it be?
Okay, so we rode the train. Our day is done here at the Healesville Tourist Railway. So time to head home. What a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Please check out my other videos. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It was a great day out, an amazing Easter weekend. So happy Easter, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Enjoy. Take care. And don't forget to visit the Healesville Tourist Railway, leave a donation, and be supportive. Thanks, guys.